In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up GTD in Trello or Getting Things Done. 5 minutes. We'll build a simple, reliable GTD system directly inside Trello. Start by opening Trello and signing in. If you're new, create a free account so your work syncs across devices. Create a new personal board. Building from scratch keeps things clean and you can always adjust as you go. Give your board a clear, motivating title, something that reminds you why the system exists, like Focus and Finish or My GTD Hub. Choose a background you enjoy. Aesthetics matter more than you think. Decide on visibility. For most people, private is best at first, so you can capture freely. You can always switch to public or share later if you collaborate. Create a set of lists that represent your workflow. A classic GTD lineup is Inbox for quick capture, Next Actions for work you can do now, Waiting for items blocked by others, Projects for outcomes that require multiple steps, Someday maybe for ideas, and Done for wins. Keep the names short and place Inbox on the far left for frictionless capture. Inside Trello, each card is a single task or a small actionable step. Write card titles with clear verbs like email draft to review or book dentist appointment. If a project needs many steps, create a separate project card and link the related action cards. To move quickly, add cards in bulk. Copy a plain text list of tasks from notes and paste into Trello. It will instantly create individual cards, which is perfect after a brainstorming session or inbox sweep. Open a card to add context. Use the description to clarify what done looks like, include links to reference material, and jot down the very next visible action so you never stall. Enrich your cards with details and goals. Trello supports Markdown in the description, so you can format headers and simple lists for readability. Keep it brief but decisive, emphasizing outcomes and constraints. Set deadlines and reminders to ensure timely completion. Due dates surface in Trello's views and can ping you before things slip. Use realistic dates. GTD works best when dates mean commitment. Finally, add color-coded labels to categorize. You might use colors for priority, contexts like home, office, or errands, or for project families. Keep your scheme simple so you'll actually use it. That's your GTD foundation in Trello. Capture quickly, clarify inside the card, and move work forward with lists, dates, and labels.